In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade S&P 500 on Metatrader 5. In MT5, you trade the S&P 500 as a CFD, and the symbol name varies by broker. You'll often see US 500, SPX 500, or SP 500. They all refer to the same underlying index, so don't worry if the name looks slightly different on your platform. Start by opening Metatrader 5 and bringing up the Market Watch panel. The quickest way is to press Ctrl+M. If the S&P 500 symbol isn't visible yet, right-click anywhere inside MarketWatch and choose Symbols, or simply hit Show All to reveal everything your broker offers. Scroll the list and look for US 500, SPX 500, or SP 500. When you find it, click Show so it appears in your MarketWatch list and is ready to use. Next, open the chart so you can analyze price action. In MarketWatch, locate the S&P 500 symbol you just enabled, right-click it, and select Chart Window. Now you can switch time frames, zoom in and out, draw trend lines, and add indicators. This is where your technical analysis happens, so take a moment to make the chart comfortable to read. When you're ready to place a trade, press F9 or click New Order. In the Order window, confirm the symbol is set to your S&P 500 listing, such as US 500 or SPX 500. Choose your volume, for example, 0.01 lots. Keep in mind that contract sizes can differ by broker, so check how a lot converts to index value on your account. Set a stop loss to define your risk limit and a take profit to lock in your target. Then choose Buy if you believe the index will rise, or Sell if you expect it to fall. Double-check the settings before you click, and remember that CFDs are leveraged products, so price moves can impact your balance quickly. For a simple beginner-friendly approach, combine the trend with a moving average. Add a 50-period moving average to your chart. When price is above the 50 MA, you're generally in a bullish environment, and many traders look for buy opportunities. When price is below, the bias is often bearish, and they look for sells. Try timeframes like M15, H1, or H4. Shorter timeframes can offer more signals but more noise. Higher timeframes tend to be smoother and slower. Consider waiting for a candle to close above or below the MA to confirm direction, and be consistent with your risk controls. That's it. Find the symbol, open the chart, place your order, and apply the moving average framework. Take your time, practice on a demo if needed, and trade with discipline.